Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to test BJT or bipolar junction transistor or simply known as transistor using multimeter. We will also find whether the transistor is NPN or PNP type and its emitter, base and collector terminals. So these are the symbols of the NPN and PNP transistor. As we all know that in an NPN transistor, a P-type semiconductor is sandwiched between two N-type semiconductor, and in PNP transistor, a N-type semiconductor is sandwiched between two P-type semiconductor. So here there are two PN junction. One junction is between this P base and emitter, and another junction is between this base and collector. So we can consider it as a diode analogy. So the diode analogy of this transistor will be like this. Since there is one connection here, so one diode is here and one junction is here, so another diode is here, and since base is common, so the common terminal is base and it is P type, so this is the anode of the both the diode and it is the base, and this terminal is emitter and another terminal is collector. Similarly for PNP type transistor. So the same concept is applied when we test transistor using multimeter. So for testing of transistor, we place transistor multimeter knob in a diode testing range, and when we place red probe on common terminal and black probe on other two terminal, and we get forward bias reading, that is some reading between 0.5 to 0.7, and in reverse condition when we get no reading, in this case that common terminal will be the base and the other two terminal will be emitter or collector. So this is our transistor. It is BD139. Presently I don't know its terminal, emitter, base, collector and its type, whether it is NPN or PNP. So for testing, first I place the knob of the multimeter in the diode testing range and start placing probe, any of the probe from left to right. First I place the red probe at the leftmost terminal and check for other two terminal whether I get a reading of forward bias or not. So I am not getting at this terminal, I am not getting. Now I shift this red probe at the second terminal and again check, not getting, not getting. Now shift again at the third terminal and check, getting reading 646, and on second terminal also I am getting 643. That means this common terminal with respect to which I am getting reading, this common terminal is the base terminal, and since the red probe is on the common terminal and black probe on other two terminal, so this is an NPN transistor because red represents plus and black represents minus. So this is an NPN type of transistor and this terminal is base. Now again check for emitter and collector. The reading is 644 and 642. So the reading which is slightly more, the terminal with respect to that reading is the emitter, this terminal is emitter, this terminal is collector and this is base. So this is BD139 is NPN transistor and the terminals are emitter, collector and base. So we can see that the base is the rightmost terminal. That means it is not necessary that base is always at center. It may be any of the terminal. So let me check another transistor. This is BC548. Again same process. Not getting reading. not getting reading. Now shift the red probe. 698 and 703. So I am getting reading with respect to this center terminal. That means this center terminal is the base and other two terminal is emitter or collector. And since at the center terminal the red probe is placed and other two terminal black, so this is also an NPN type of transistor. And this side reading is 698, this side reading is 703. That means this side is collector and this terminal is emitter, because this side reading is slightly more. So the configuration is collector, base and emitter. So in this way we can test any type of transistor. You can also test a PNP transistor in the similar way, but the only difference is that at the common terminal will be the black probe and other two terminal, when we place the red probe, in that condition we get the reading of the forward biasing. Now this is the transistor. So this is metal type of transistor, CL100. So for this type of transistor, how can we find that terminal of this transistor? One way is either we check using the multimeter. For another way we can find out using the inspection. So this terminal which is connected to the body is the collector terminal, and the terminal we can see that here it is a notch. So this notch side terminal is always emitter, and the terminal which is connected to the body is always collector, and the terminal in between them is the base. So in this way this configuration is emitter, base and collector. And for type of the transistor, NPN or PNP, we can check using multimeter. So if you like the video, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.